Hi there. So today I want to talk to you about hydration and making sole water. And to make sole water, it's got to sit overnight. And you just want to take a jar and pour it about a quarter of the way with a really good sea salt. Now, make sure it's a sea salt that you can trace where it came from. That is of the utmost important. Make sure it has traceability. You know, I like this one. It's mined in America. And this is the one I like. So about a quarter of the way with your really good sea salt. And then you're going to top that with filtered water. Put a lid on it. Now you cannot put metal lid here because this is going to be like the sea, right? So it's going to get rusty if you put metal on it. And then we're just going to sit that and let it sit overnight. Hi, and welcome back to Sole, or salt water, if you will. So we've been 24 hours and you can see this line of sediment. If you see that, then you know you have done a good job, because when you see that sediment, that means that this water has absorbed all of the salt that it can possibly absorb. And that is what we want. Now, I think it's a great idea to start your day with this. Now, I have wooden spoons on the boat that I use for this, but I don't have any here, so I'm just going to use plastic. You don't want to put any metal in here. And you should do a teaspoon of this a day. And if you want, just start your morning with like an 8-ounce glass of water and a teaspoon of your Sole water. Normally, I make a whole hydration drink, which is a separate video, but we're just talking about our sodium today. Now, sodium is one of the most important electrolytes in your body. The sodium is what helps maintain fluid in your cells, between your tissues and your blood. It is so important. And you need sodium for proper cell function. And this is going to actually help keep your blood pressure low. Now, I know that everybody's been told, especially if you have high blood pressure, don't have salt, don't have salt. Well, if it's that poison they call table salt, that sodium chloride, yes, you don't want to have anything to do with that. And yes, that will raise your blood pressure. So when you're drinking something like this, it is going to help you obviously stay hydrated, but obviously there's 60 plus trace minerals in that salt. And most of us are deficient in a lot of these minerals. It's going to help your stay hydrated because it's going to help your electrolyte levels. There's a little bit of magnesium in here and a little bit of potassium in here. It's going to help support your metabolism. If your levels of sodium drop, the signs of that are headache, nausea, irritability, fatigue, brain fog. So all of these things, if you're experiencing anything, it could just be that your sodium levels have dropped. If you ever go to the hospital, one of the first things they do, right, is that sodium bag, because they got to get your sodium levels up, right? So sodium is really important, and it's going to really, I think, be beneficial to you. This is going to be so good for your nerves, your tissues, your blood. So stay hydrated, my friends. Keep those sodium levels up, and make sure you pick a really good sea salt. Now, I did a whole video on salt, but traceability is important. You want to know where it came from. You want to make sure you're not getting any sea salt from China. It's going to have heavy metals in it. If you can, you want to find a sea salt that's actually from underground and not the ocean. The sea salt from the ocean, because the ocean's been exposed to pollutions. So that means that salt has been exposed to pollutions, where if it's underground, it's never been exposed to pollutions. So traceability, know where it comes from. Try to get one that is from underground. And of course, you get all of these great minerals with it too. So pick a good sea salt, make your Sole water. Now, if you are doing a lot of exercise and you're doing a lot of sweating, you might want to do this twice a day to keep your sodium levels up, because obviously when you're sweating out your sodium. So start your day with a little salt water and keep your sodium levels up. And I'll see y'all later. Thanks. Bye. See you later.